Hi friends, in this video let's learn about sorting streams in Java. So sorting streams in Java is a common operation that allows us to order the elements in a stream based on a specified comparator or in their natural order. This is a crucial operation when we want to arrange data in a specific sequence. Okay. So the sorted method is used in sorted streams to sort the elements of a stream based on a specified comparator or in their natural order. Okay. So let's see the syntax of sorted method. Let's see how that method works. So let's write the syntax of sorted method. Stream name of the method is sorted stream sorted comparator question mark super t comparator. Okay, so this is the syntax of sorted method. So this sorted method assumes that the elements in the stream are of type that implements the comparable interface. Comparable interface. Okay. So I am talking about this version. Okay, this version of the sorted method sorts the elements in their natural order. It assumes that the elements in the stream are of a type that implements the comparable interface. And now let's talk about this version. So this version of the sorted method allows us to specify a custom comparator to determine the order of elements in the stream. Okay, the comparator is responsible for comparing elements and determining their relative order. Okay, so friends, now let's move to code example for sorting streams in Java. Let's see sorting streams in practical now. So friends, here I do have one class with name srt streams. Let's create one more class here with name person. Okay, so let's proceed. Class person, and let's define two attributes in the class person with name with uh, with name and profession. Okay, so which will have a constructor to initialize the attributes and getter methods to access them. Okay, so let's do that. Private string name, private profession. Okay, string. Okay, so here I have defined two attributes in class person with name and profession. The type person is already defined. Okay, So let's make it person A. Okay friends, fine now. So here I have here our two attributes are ready. So let's generate the constructor using fields. Right click, generate constructor using fields, click on generate. Okay friends, now let's generate getters and setters. We need only getters, so select here only, select getters. Okay, fine friends. So we are ready with our attributes and constructor and getter methods. So let's move into main method. So friend, this is our main method. Let's create a list of people with their names and profession using the list interface. Okay, list. Write the class name as person A, give the list name. So here we are creating a list of person A objects, list of class person A objects which representing an individual with a name and profession. In this case we have 4 individuals here with their respective profession. Okay, so let's move on. Give the list name as people equal to arrays dot as list. Now let's add the person's name here. Okay, so I have added here one name. Let's copy it 3 more times. Now just change the name here, Geeta, which is an artist. Hari, who is an doctor. And Isha, she is also an engineer. Okay, so let's save the code. Now here we do have one error. Let's see the error. Syntax error on token expression expected after this token. So here I have given one extra comma, so let's delete that. Okay friends, fine. So here is our list. Our list is ready. Now let's sort people by profession in ascending order. So what we are going to do now, we are sorting the people by their profession in ascending order. So let's create a stream with name sorted people ascending. Okay, list person A sorted people ascending equal to people dot stream. So let's continue dot sorted give the name as p1 p2 lambda operator p1 dot get profession dot compare to p2 dot get profession. Okay, p2 dot get profession dot call the collect method collect collectors dot to list. So friends, here I have write the same code for sorting the people in descending order as like ascending. Okay, so now let's write code to get the results, to print the results to the console. So let's proceed. Pass the message as sorted by profession in bracket ascending. Okay, so sorted people ascending, call the for each method dot for each person A lambda operator person A system dot out dot print ln person A again, call the method get name dot get name. Okay, plus space dash again plus call the method get profession person dot get profession. Okay, complete the parentheses, give the semicolon. So I have misfill here for sorted, so let's do correct that. Okay, now let's repeat the code. Here type person A. Okay, now just copy the code, sorry, repeat the same code for descending, for sorting the people in descending, for getting the result of the people in descending order. Okay, so I am going to copy that, just paste it, and I am taking here one new line slash n sorted by profession, descending descending. Okay, sorted people descending des descending for each person A, person dot get name, person dot get profession. Okay friends, so here our code is ready. Now it's time to get the output to the console. We have done with our code. Our code is completed now, so let's delete some spaces here, save the code, and let's run our code. So friends, here is our output. Sorted by profession in ascending order: Geeta artist, Hari doctor, Rahul engineer, Isha engineer. And sorted by profession in descending order: Rahul engineer, Isha engineer, Hari doctor, Geeta artist. Okay friends, so in this way we can use the sorting technique in Java streams. This is all about sorting in Java streams. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Code GV. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Thank you once again.